Today, we gather to walk through Mama and Papa's Sige Farm, sustaining intergenerational equity. Papa loved coming to the farm with Mama a lot. They started planting 30 years ago. They planted every week and on special occasions. The goal is to protect and conserve the quality and quantity of the Panigan-Tamugan watershed surface waters that the farm is part of.
I always pride myself to have seen what was going to develop between Arnold and Norma before they knew it. There's very different personalities, different but deeply connected.
I remember Arnold telling me with much enthusiasm he had met somebody at ASI called Norma. Their social, environmental involvement tied them together. A match made in heaven.
One day, the angels from heaven came to take the family's head to heaven. His passing did happen, left at home with deep pain and sadness. In the distant future, love will rise again when Arnold and Norma will be reunited in heaven.
I did not know anything about what was going on, romance or anything. But then all of a sudden, I heard the story that Arnold has a girlfriend and the name was Norma. Norma is a very natural and outgoing. Arnold is careful and prudent, the perfect match for a good marriage.
When I talk to Arnold, I use my left brain. When I talk with Norma, I use my right brain. They develop my left and right brain. The last discussion with Arnold was on how to make this farm a socio-economic enterprise. The financial model for this, which is low maintenance, meaning to say it should pay for itself.
He wanted this farm to be like a tree museum, but a live tree museum, that it would inspire people to plant trees.
Those who have been here, maybe naka-tree planting na pod mo with Papa. One way to make people feel a connection to the farm. When they come back, it's like, okay, I want to see where's the tree that I planted. Whenever there's something significant life event, then Papa and Mama, they would plant a tree. So we made another hole here, and Liva has some ashes of Uncle Raf.
Not only to lay ashes in the earth, but also to plant love in sacred ground. In this sacred moment, we say not goodbye, but thank you. Dona nobis pace.
January 19, 1979. I just joined the group in Brussels, and I'm so happy to work next Monday at one of the largest meat distributors in this country. I'm also glad to have found a group that stands on the side of the oppressed. For 50 years, things have not changed. Workers do heavy labor and are very exhausted.
Please hang on to whatever it is that helps you be who you are and how you are, and still lets you see who I am and where I am. I could feel that he really loves me. He makes you feel that. I hope when this will happen that you will go, I can still be myself and I will help myself to carry on. It's now 2 years and I think I'm not yet carried on, oh my golly.
We remember the beautiful human being that was Papa. We celebrate the special friendship that each of us enjoyed with Papa. We celebrate his friendship with Mama. And we celebrate our friendship with Mama too. While we're here, still breathing and living, let's be like the trees, growing healthy and free and cultivate strong and deep friendships.